Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zach.
Hello, Zach. Hi, everyone. I'm Zoe. I was just thinking about topic first day at work today.
Wow, first day at work. That is a big topic.
Yes, it is exciting, but also very scary.
Very scary. I remember my first day at work. I could not sleep the night before.
Really?
Yes, I was so nervous. My stomach felt weird. I kept thinking, what if I say something wrong? What if I make a mistake?
Oh my gosh, I felt the same way. I think almost everyone feels nervous on their first day.
Yeah, it's normal. So today we're going to talk about our first day at work experiences. We will share stories, feelings, and useful English sentences you can use.
Yes, and if you are new here, please subscribe to English Podcast Channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot.
Yes, it really helps. We want to help more people learn English.
And please share this episode with your friends who are learning English too.
Okay, so Zoe, tell me, what was your first job?
My first real job was at a small coffee shop in my hometown. I was 19 years old.
A coffee shop? That sounds fun.
It sounds fun now, but on the first day, I was terrified.
Why?
Because I had to talk to customers, and I was shy, very shy.
That's interesting. You don't seem shy now.
Thank you, but back then, I was quiet. On my first day, my manager said, "Zoe, you will work at the front counter."
Oh, no.
Yes, I had to say, "Good morning, what would you like?" again and again. My voice was shaking.
Did you make any mistakes?
Yes, I did. I gave a customer the wrong drink. He ordered a hot latte. I gave him an iced coffee.
Oh, no. What happened?
He looked confused. He said, "I ordered a hot latte." My face turned red. I said, "I'm so sorry. This is my first day."
That's a very good sentence. I'm so sorry. This is my first day.
Yes, and he smiled and said, "It's okay. We all have a first day."
That's so kind.
Yes, after that, I felt a little better.
That's nice. My first job was very different.
What was it?
I worked in an office. It was a small marketing company.
Oh, that sounds serious.
It felt serious. Everyone was wearing nice clothes. I was wearing a suit for the first time in my life.
Did you feel uncomfortable?
Very uncomfortable. I kept fixing my tie. I didn't know where to sit. I didn't know when to talk.
Did someone help you?
Yes, a coworker named Daniel came to me and said, "Hey, you must be Zach. Welcome to the team."
That's a great sentence. Welcome to the team.
Yes, it made me feel included.
Included means you feel like you belong.
Exactly.
So what did you say?
I said, "Hi, nice to meet you. I'm excited to be here."
That's a perfect sentence for your first day.
Thank you. But inside, I was not excited. I was scared.
Sometimes we say I'm excited even if we are nervous.
That's true. It sounds positive.
Yes, being positive is important on the first day.
I agree. So, Zoe, what do you think is the most important thing on the first day at work?
I think listening. Just listen carefully. Don't talk too much.
That's good advice.
Watch how other people work. Learn the system. Ask simple questions.
Yes, asking questions is important.
Some people are afraid to ask questions.
I was one of those people. I didn't want to look stupid.
But asking questions shows that you care.
That's right. On my first day, I didn't understand a task. I stayed quiet. Then I made a mistake.
Oh no.
My boss said, "Why didn't you ask?" And I didn't know what to say.
That must have felt bad.
It did. But I learned something. It's okay to say, "Could you please explain that again?"
That's a very useful sentence. Let's say it slowly.
Could you please explain that again?
Yes, very polite.
Another good sentence is, "I'm still learning."
Oh, I like that. I'm still learning. It sounds honest and humble.
Exactly.
On my first day, I also learned something important.
What was that?
Smiling helps a lot.
Really?
Yes, even if you are nervous, smile. It makes you look friendly and it makes you feel a little better inside.
That's true. A smile can change your mood.
Yes, and remember names. That is important.
Oh yes, names are important.
On my first day, I forgot my coworker's name. I had to ask her 3 times.
That happens.
I felt so embarrassed.
It's okay. You can say, "I'm sorry, can you remind me of your name?"
Yes, that's polite.
So if you are watching this and you have your first day at work soon, don't worry too much.
Yes, it's normal to feel nervous.
Everyone feels nervous. Even confident people feel nervous.
But the first day is just one day.
After 1 week, you will feel better.
After 1 month, you will feel comfortable.
And maybe after 1 year, you will laugh about your first day.
I laugh about mine now.
Me too.
Zach, do you remember going home after your first day?
Yes, I was so tired. Not physically tired, but mentally tired.
Yes, that's a good word, mentally tired.
I had so much new information in my head.
Same. I went home and told my mom everything.
What did you say?
I said, I didn't quit, I survived.
That's funny.
It felt like a big success.
Sometimes small wins are big wins.
Exactly.
So maybe the real lesson is this.
Yes?
Don't try to be perfect on your first day. Just try to learn.
I love that. Don't try to be perfect, just try to learn.
Because mistakes are part of learning.
And everyone had a first day once.
Even your boss.
Even the CEO.
So if you are nervous, that means you care.
And caring is a good thing.
Very good.
I think first days are special. They're the start of something new.
A new chapter.
Yes, a new chapter in your life.
That sounds beautiful.
It's true. Every job teaches you something, not just skills, but about yourself.
Like confidence.
And patience.
And communication.
Yes.
So, friends, if you have your first day at work soon, take a deep breath.
Smile.
Say hello.
And believe in yourself.
You are stronger than you think.
And braver than you feel.
Wow, Zoe, that was nice.
Thank you.
All right, everyone, that's all for today's episode.
We hope this conversation helped you learn new English words and feel more confident.
Remember, learning English is like your first day at work. It feels hard at first.
But if you keep going, it becomes easier.
Step by step.
Day by day.
Thank you so much for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.